Hello everyone, this is me Padma. In this video, we are going to see a problem belongs to linear equation in two variables. Let's look into the problem. Here, a number consists of two digits. It is given, it's a two-digit number. When it is divided by the sum of digit, the quotient is 6 with no remainder. When the number is diminished by 9, the digits are reversed. So we need to find what is that number. That's what actually the question is. So whenever you are going with these type of word problem, first understand what all the statements has been given and what you have to get it based on the statements. See here, the first statement is it's a two-digit number. They gave the information. Okay. And what is the next statement? So when it is divided by the sum of the digit, you will be getting the quotient 6. And what is the another statement? When it has been diminished, the digits are going to be reversed. So you need to consider this as a three parts. What is our first part? A number consists of two digits x and y. So when you have an unknown number, you should not consider the number value as xy because you have to take the place value of each digit. Okay. See, for example, if you want to understand how can I write 12? So 12 is nothing but 10 plus 2, right? Why we are writing 10 plus 2? Because 2 into 1 is 2 and 1 into 10 is 10. That means the place value of 2 is 2. The place value of 1 is 10. If I add it, if I sum it up, we will get 12. Same only you have to use over here. If I know the value of a number, then we can just use the number as such. But here we are not knowing the value of the number. Then you have to write that in terms of place value only. So wherever a number is involving, which is of unknown, you should not use just xy. You have to use 10x plus y. Why? Because x is in 10th place and y is in 1's place. Yes. So now we have considered a number with that is two-digit number xy whose value is 10x plus y. Now, what is the first statement they have explained? This number is divided by the sum of digit. So, what's the number is this? It's 10x plus y. So, this number is divided by the sum of digit. What is sum of digit? The digit is xy. So, what is sum of digit? It's nothing but x plus y. So, we will be getting the quotient as 6 without any reminder. So, this is what the statement for the first verbal statement. This is a numerical statement for this verbal statement. Now, what is the next statement they have mentioned? When the number is diminished by 9. So, what is the number? 10x plus y. Diminished in the sense what? We are going to subtract 9 from it. So, what is going to happen? The digits are getting reversed. Then now, what's going to happen with the value of the number? 10th at 10th place a digit y will come, at 1st place one's place the digit x will come. So these are the two mathematical statement we have derived from the verbal statement which is given in our question. So now the first mathematical statement, what I'm going to do, I'm simplifying it. So here see in the LHS we have in the denominator x plus y. So we will move this x plus y to the RHS. So what it will become? 10x plus y equal to 6 into x plus y. So first we will do the simplification of this, then we will proceed further. So it's going to be 6x. When it is coming to the other side, it's minus 6x, and 6 into y is 6y. When it is coming to the other side, it's going to be minus 6y, which is equal to 0. Now based on the like term, there are two x term, two y terms, so combine the like terms. 10x minus 6x is going to be 4x plus y and minus 6y is going to be minus 5y equal to 0. So consider this as the third equation, and from 2, so here only I am solving. So from 2 what we will get? 10x plus y minus 9. I'm moving the RHS to the LHS. So minus 10y minus x equal to 0. So 10x and minus x is there. So I can write this as 9x, and y minus 10y is there, minus 9y, and this 9 we can move to the other side so that it will become plus 9. If you look into this equation, all are having 9 as a common factor, so you can divide that throughout by 9 so that the equation is going to be simple. For calculation wise, it's going to be very simple. So I'm just making, after dividing, 9x will become x, 9y will become just y, and 9 is going to become 1. So throughout this equation, we have divided by 9 so that the simplest equation came. So mark this as equation 4. So now we have equation 3 and 4. If you solve, and that too in the linear equation format, if you solve these two, we will get the value of x and y. So you can solve this in either substitution or elimination method. It's totally our wish. So now what I'm doing, I am doing with the elimination method. I am multiplying the equation 4 with number 4. Why I am multiplying this with number 4? Because in the third equation, the coefficient of x is 4. So I want to eliminate x variable. So I want to change this variable to be 4. That's the reason we are multiplying by 4. Okay, so after multiplying by 4, we will get this as an answer. So yes, now we need to do the sign change, right? Because both are plus, it cannot get cancelled. So we are changing the sign. So this will become plus, this will become minus. So plus 4x minus 4x will get cancelled. And here see, minus 5y and plus 4y is going to be minus y equal to minus 4. So minus and minus will get cancelled. So we got the value for 4, that means for y as 4. Yes. So now we got the value of y. Can we do what is the value of x? Yes. So can you substitute this y value in the equation 4? So originally what was our equation 4? It's x minus y equal to 1. This is what our equation 4, right? In this we are going to substitute the value of y. So x minus 4 equal to 1. So x equal to 1 plus 4, so which is nothing but 5. So we got the value of x2 and we know the value of y2. So now we can frame the number, right? What is our number? It's xy, right? Our number is. So what is the number now? It has been replaced with a value of 5 and 4. So 5 and 4 is nothing but what? 54. Or you can understand like this, 5 into 10 plus 4. So it's 54. So the answer over here is 54. We found the number. Thank you.